In this video, I will show you how to remove and disable Grammarly from Google Chrome browser. So guys, if you want to disable Chrome extensions, so just click on this Grammarly icon. So just right click on Grammarly icon, then click on remove from Chrome. And guys, if you want to disable for temporary, so click on manage extension and here disable. And once you need, so enable. So this is the basic way guys to enable and disable Grammarly in Chrome browser. Just click on this Grammarly icon, so right click and remove or manage extensions, so enable or disable. That's it. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. And in this simple video we can learn how to enable or disable Grammarly.